In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete Jumia buyer account. Let's say you're not interested in your account again and you just want to close your account. The next thing you're going to do is just open your Jumia app while you already logged in. Then the next thing you're going to do is just click on account down below. So once you click on account, just scroll all the way down. Then you can see close account right here. Then click on the option right there. Then it's gonna take you straight down to your browser. Then they're gonna ask you the reason why you actually want to close your account. Basically, it's very possible for anyone to want to close their account, but then the reason will just be optional. That doesn't mean that they are not going to close your account for you. So you can just select any reason of your choice, then your account will be closed successfully without any issue. So this way you're gonna be able to close or delete your buyer account on Jumia.